Hi everyone, this is a timeless reading for the viewers whose name starts with letter B, male. This reading has been done in terms of relationship. So let's see what cards shows to us. So the first card which I got is of a 6 of Cups. Now this shows a past connections, innocence and emotional harmony. The second card is of the Chariot. Now, this is also a very powerful card. It shows the determination, moving forward, and willpower. The fourth card is a very beautiful card which has been drawn for B, male people whose name starts with letter B, male. And this shows the stability, a celebration, a union, home, and harmony. And all over energy what we have got is of the Hierophant, and this is a game changer. This is a very beautiful card has been drawn today. So the Hierophant shows commitment, tradition, spirituality, and social approval. So in terms of relationship, these are the very beautiful cards. The 6 of Cups shows a very strong emotional bond which is rooted in the past, but you may be dealing with your soulmate connection, or you might be dealing like a childhood love. Maybe it could also indicate for someone that you met in the past, but at that time the conditions has not been materialized, but now it is coming up with a very beautiful energy. He is returning, or she is returning in your life. And the other card what we have discussed is the Chariot. Now the Chariot shows either you or your partner is determined to move things forward, possibly overcoming from the past emotional blocks, whatever the differences you are having, whatever the misunderstandings you are having earlier on, but now you are in a very positive situation. The Four of Wands, this is again a very strong, beautiful card in terms of relationship, what I told you earlier also. Now it may also represent a marriage, it may also represent an engagement. It is a very beautiful card. It is about building a strong foundation, and it is something that you are celebrating something. It may be you are celebrating your love of your life, or a soulmate kind of relationship. And the Hierophant, the all over energy we got is for the Hierophant. The Hierophant is a glue card, you can say. It binds the things together. It suggests that the relationship has a potential to move forward, and it can also be moved to be a more committed phase. It could even means marriage. This card shows a deeply rooted soulmate like connection. If you are single, or if you are in a separation, so I can say these spread shows a very beautiful time is coming for you guys, because someone from the past who is not much committed earlier, now she or he must be coming with more commitment and moving forward to you. So trust yourself, and best of luck, and thank you so much for watching my video.